Alright, this is the fit. I love this dress. Love the dress. So Sabbath mornings are usually my favorite because we do get to sleep in a little bit longer on these days. And as busy working people, that extra rest is definitely needed. But after we wake up, it is definitely time to hit the ground running. Now, not literally, but yes, you understand. It's time to get ready. But another thing that I love about Sabbath mornings is that even though I do have to get ready in a particular time frame, I try to get up with enough time so it feels like a slow morning, and I love those. So this is me just refreshing myself so that I can get perky, get ready, get hyped up about the day. This is me just giving myself a little pep talk and getting myself hyped and ready to go. So once I have fully refreshed myself, it is now time to get my hair done, which when I am going to church, I do like to look my best. So on these days, I try to, put a little extra effort in the hair every now and again. I actually have recently started using Got To Be glue. I don't really keep my hair out, so I do this style like probably once a month or once every 2 months. And this is how I like to section my hair because it does make it more manageable and it gives me a more sleek and more refined look, and that's exactly what we want. So I also recently started using the Got To Be spray, and let me tell you, after I use that spray, tie my hair down, it lays down flat, okay? Flat. Just doing the edges so that we have a nice clean look. Of course, the look is not complete until the tie head or the scarf or whatever you call it goes on. Yeah. So this hair is a luxury that we kind of get to enjoy on the weekends, and we try to prioritize eating breakfast together. So while I was getting my hair done, my husband was warming up the food and making a smoothie because that I requested, and I was so happy to get it. It tasted so good. He did such a good job on it. And yeah, I really like to just sit and be quiet, just laugh and talk a little bit, and we have some carousels playing in the background. When we're done with that, hubby does get to the dishes. Sometimes we exchange and vice versa kind of thing, or I help out if my hair is already done or in a protected style. And of course, I go absolutely nowhere without making my bed first. My husband will tell you. It's such a pet peeve of mine to leave my bed unmade. And then we get to showering, and of course it's time to put on the clothes. Now this dress, listen, my husband bought this dress for me and it has pockets, guys. Alright, this is the fit. I love this dress. Love the dress. So we're gonna see moonlight, but let me unveil the hair first so y'all can see everything one time. it look? It look good? Look alright. I think you're alright. Even if you're not alright, I'll still go. When I really care about the back. Yeah. By the time me walk past, then I'll get to see back anyway. When I see front, I say, wow. And then by the time I walk past, I'm not even gonna realize, just vanish. Yeah, alright, let's go. Down with the sunscreen. Protect the skin, no? So this hair is also something that is new to my skincare routine. I do it when I feel like, just to brush up the eyebrows a little bit, keep them in check and stuff like that. So my gentle friends, if you've made it this far in the video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, share it, and leave a comment if you so desire. I'll put on this little brooch right here. What y'all think? Ooh, that's cute. That's cute right there. That's cute. That's cute. Let me do that right there. I'll leave it right. So careful not to jukes myself. Alright, so I think we have something here. Oh, I'm going to put on the belt. Go for the belt. What? I'm going to put the belt on. What? So I paired this outfit with some clear heels that I got on Shein, and my scent of the day was this Victoria's Secret body spray that my patient gave to me at work. So if you do know us, you know that we love to matchy, and so when I prepared these outfits in the week, I made sure that the colors were going to be complementing each other. Now, it is definitely my duty just to help Hobby make sure he's prepared, and we were definitely going to be singing in Sabbath school, and so I wanted to make sure that everything was good on both ends. So of course, once we're ready, it was time to leave, and this was me heading into church for our duty, which was to be a part of the praise team, and I sing alongside my husband, and that is always a pleasure.